So good morning to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Bajaj Finance share. So today we'll discuss all the technicals of Bajaj Finance. So we know that today it has shown a very good correction. Almost it is currently down 6%. So if you see the time, it is almost 10:51 and it is showing weakness of almost 6.5%. So we'll discuss few large cap stocks and also we'll discuss few mid cap stocks in the coming videos as well, because it is a very good opportunity for us, especially in this type of situation where a very good correction is seen in all the stocks. So definitely take the opportunity and start investing in small portions. So I'll discuss all the best stocks that you can buy on a regular basis. So today itself I'll upload videos, so make sure you're watching the videos regularly and you can get some good quality returns for long term. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and also join the Telegram group so as to not miss any instant updates. Okay, so first discussing about what are the various global factors that has affected the market condition today. So we know that India has crossed Brazil and it is the top 2 country with most COVID cases. So when this particular update has come, and also in different states, especially Maharashtra as well as Delhi, so when they told that they will impose any certain lockdown, so already lockdown is there, but will they more, like if they will maximize the conditions, so then definitely it will be a negative impact. So that's why on that particular note we have seen correction. So a huge fall was seen today, and also currently it's continuing that almost Nifty is down 3% and Bank Nifty has crossed almost 4.5%. Okay, so as usual, we know whenever correction happens, we need to take the opportunity. So we'll discuss all the stocks, so don't worry. So first we'll discuss about Bajaj Finance. So this is the 1 week chart. So in 1 week chart, you can see it has continuously shown correction. So you can see from where it has started correcting, you can see from 5,750, the stock has continuously corrected. So this particular trend line, you can see that I have drawn, so manually I have drawn that. So I keep watching all the stocks even in large cap. So in that particular note, I've drawn all the trend lines to see how the stock is reacting. So you can see when it has gone below the trend line, you can see how bearish it has become. Okay, so next immediate support wise, you can see it is near 4,375. okay, so that is the immediate support. So why? Because we can see there we also have the 50-day exponential moving average followed by 2 supports here. Okay, so 2 supports were already present, that is from where the stock has retraced earlier. Okay, so if you go a little bit down, you can see money flow index, it has also come near 53 region. So that is what we call the mid range. So whenever any stock, when it goes above 70-80, so then it goes to overbought region. So after that considerably it corrects and come to the mid range, and again it starts retracing. So why I'm discussing Bajaj Finance? So it is essential to have even few large cap stocks. So it is not that completely we depend upon mid cap and small cap. So when large cap corrects, so when Nifty recovers, so large cap will be the first to recover with full swing. So that's why I am discussing. So invest in small quantities. So don't do any bulk investment at the current situation. So like 4,001 share, 2 share. So like that you need to accumulate at each and every fall. Okay, so whatever we have discussed about Bajaj Finance, that was in 1 week chart. So if you go a little depth, you can see 1 day chart also. So in 1 day chart, you can see in that also continuous correction is present. So when it has gone below the 50-day exponential moving average, so obviously it is a sell side. So after that, it has continuously come down and it has gone below the line which I have drawn manually, and also now it is near the 200-day moving average. Can you see here? So the red color line is the 200-day moving average, which is coming out near 4,495. okay, so you can take that as a another support. So in 1 week, 1 day chart and 1 week chart, we are discussing all the supports. So that might be the next possible reversal zones. So market condition is also very important. So little volatility is present. So if you're doing any trading, so trade cautiously. So we have discussed to focus on IT companies and also pharmaceuticals, because in this particular situation, we know that IT companies will declare their results. So they will obviously be on little positive note. So that's why when TCS, Infosys, prices, so those start recovering. So many stocks like mid cap stocks like KPIT Tech, whether it may be Happiest Minds, so they also start recovering. So that's why I told focus on them. When temporary fall is there, you need to grab the opportunity. Okay. So in 1 day chart, if you further go down and see money flow index, you can see that is also near 41. So that is also in mid range, and it is also either if market settles and if it retraces, it goes up again. If further correction comes, you can see the levels. So first level we have discussed 4,490. After that we have 4,375. Okay, so watch these two immediate supports for the current session and also in the coming days as well. So resistances wise, 4,700 is going to be very important resistance. Okay, so further if you're having any doubts, you can contact me in Instagram also. So in Instagram we are discussing stocks for short term swing trade. People are messaging me, I'm giving them all the stocks, so you can watch them and you can take a good profit. Okay, so until then, take care. Bye bye. So clarify your doubts. So because clarifying doubts is also very important in the current market situation.